How to make a paper airplane from printer paper. Easy, fast, and simple. Take a rectangular piece of paper of any color. Place the paper with the short side facing you. Fold the left side to the right. Press down well on the folded part. Open it. Flip to the other side. Fold the top right corner to the center line we just made. Press down well on the fold. Fold the left corner to the center line. Press down on the fold. Take the right side and fold it to the center crease. Press down well. Do the same with the left side of the plane. Flip to the other side. Twist it slightly on the table. Fold the paper plane along the central crease. Press down well on the fold. Now, let's make the wings. Fold the paper downward to form a wing. Press down well. Flip to the other side. Repeat the same steps for the other wing. Unfold the wings of the airplane. Airplane adjustment for better flight. Adjust the plane so it flies well. To do this, slightly tilt the wings to form a Y shape. Now, try launching your plane. Throw it gently